When you sit down at a restaurant, what's the first thing you grab? The menu, right? And it's usually just a piece of paper. But what if that simple menu could be way smarter? What if it could be a dynamic, intelligent tool? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. The big move from paper to pixels in the restaurant world. So, if you're a restaurant owner, you know the drill. That paper menu? Is it really pulling its weight? I mean, your business is constantly changing, but the menu is stuck in time. You run out of an ingredient? Too bad. Want to change a price? Get ready to reprint everything. And let's be honest, in a world full of amazing digital experiences, a paper menu can feel kind of boring. And that right there is the core issue. A paper menu just talks at your customers. It's a one-way street. But imagine if it could be a conversation. What if your menu could tell you what your customers are looking at the most, even before they order? Now that would be a game changer. So the solution that's popping up everywhere? Platforms that can take your menu digital in just a few minutes. To really see how this works, we're going to walk through an example using a platform called Miplatos. And one of the best parts about these tools, your customers don't have to download yet another app. It's totally hassle-free. Okay, so how do you actually go from a blank slate to this awesome digital hub? Well, we're going to walk through the whole process step by step. You'll see how a simple list of food transforms into a powerhouse tool that actually helps you understand what your customers want. All right, everything starts right here. A nice, clean slate with a big, simple button, Create New Menu. See, these platforms are designed to be super easy to use. They're built for busy restaurant owners, not tech wizards, so anyone can jump right in. But this is where you're headed. Talk about a glow up, right? Once your menu is out there, this dashboard comes alive. It's not just a place to build things anymore, it's your command center. It starts tracking every view, every QR code scan, turning your menu into a source of real, valuable insights. Okay, let's get into the fun part, actually building the menu. The whole point of these tools is to make this process super fast and, honestly, kind of fun. So check this out. As you start typing your details on the left, like, say, a tagline, boom, it pops up instantly in the preview on the right. This is huge. There's no guesswork. You see exactly what you're getting in real time, which makes the whole process fly by. Next up, you'll add all your essential info: address, phone number, email. And what's cool is that this isn't just plain text. On a digital menu, someone can tap the phone number to call you, or tap the address and get directions right on their phone. It connects the digital experience directly to your front door. Of course, you want the menu to look like your restaurant, right? Your brand is everything. So you just upload your logo, and there are even simple tools to crop it perfectly. Just like that, the menu is distinctly yours. And it doesn't stop with the logo. You can pick from a whole gallery of beautiful themes. You just find the one that perfectly matches your restaurant's vibe, give it a click, and you're good to go. Okay, the design's looking good. Now for the most important part, the food. You can organize everything into super clean categories. Appetizers, combos, special offers. This makes it so much easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Adding a dish is a piece of cake. You just put in the name, a delicious sounding description, and the price. But here's a feature you're gonna love. You can just toggle its availability. So if you run out of the daily special, one click and it's gone from the menu. No more disappointing customers. So you've got your branding set, your info is in, your dishes look amazing. There's really only one thing left to do to get this in front of your customers. And there it is, that one magic button, Publish. You click that, and all your hard work goes from being a draft on your screen to being live on the internet for everyone to see. And just like that, it's live. This is what your customer sees. A beautiful, professional menu with those clear categories right at the top, making it super easy to navigate. And as you scroll, you can really see how important those crisp photos are, right? A great picture can make someone's mouth water. It turns a simple list of words into something that's way more tempting and engaging for your customers. So, how do your customers actually get to it? Easy, with a simple QR code. The platform makes one for you, they scan it with their phone, and poof, the menu opens right in their browser. No app, no password, no hassle. But here's the thing, clicking Publish isn't the end of the story. It's actually just the beginning. This is where your menu starts working for you, giving you back incredibly valuable data. If we hop back over to the dashboard, you can see it's not empty anymore. It's tracking every single view and every scan. This gives you a really clear picture of what's happening. You can see when people are looking at your menu most, or even figure out which QR code on which table is getting the most action. Take this number, for example, 12 public opens. It seems simple, but that's hard data on how many people are engaging with your menu. And over time, you can use this to experiment. Maybe you change a photo or rewrite a description, and then you can see if that number goes up. It's powerful stuff. And these platforms are built to grow with you. As your team gets bigger, you can manage who has access to what right from the dashboard. So you can let your manager update the daily specials without giving them access to everything else. It's all about making it secure and efficient. So when you really get down to it, moving to a digital menu isn't just about saving paper. It's about changing a static, boring document into a living, breathing part of your business, something you can update, analyze, and improve, basically in real time. And that really leaves us with a pretty exciting question. Your menu is no longer just a list of food. It's a dynamic, data-driven tool.